Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Since May 13. This is reflected in the surge in the total value locked, TVL, from roughly $118 million on May 13 to $137 million on May 16. Cardano is recording a positive 24-hour change of nearly 6% in its total value locked, TVL. Without the inclusion of state governance tokens in TVL valuation, Cardano's TVL stands at about $174.74 million. While the increase might seem insignificant, Cardano's TVL, staking included, has steadily declined since peaking at $434.74 million on March 28. And last news today is Bitcoin failed at $31K last week turned out to be one of the most violent for the primary cryptocurrency in recent history, as it dipped to an 18-month low of $25,300. Despite recovering several $1,000s, the week still closed in the red, making it 7 in a row. This came even with yesterday's price increase to and beyond $30,000. In fact, the asset jumped to a multi-day high of over $31,000, where it stood for a while, but ultimately failed. The subsequent rejection drove it south by more than $2,000. In just a matter of hours, BTC slumped to around $29,500. As of now, it sits a few $100s upwards, and is close to the $30,000 mark. Bitcoin's market capitalization, which is down by over $100 billion in a week or so, is now situated at $565 billion. Its dominance over the altcoins has increased during the most recent corrections, and is above 44%. Price action: Cardano dropped to lows of 39 cents in the past week, as the crypto market experienced a sell-off. Cardano recovered, reaching highs of $0.613 on May 16 after 3 days in the green. Cardano is currently losing ground after gaining over 4% during the day. Cardano was trading at $0.553 at the time of publication, after hitting intraday highs of $0.613. On-chain analytics, sentiment noted heightened whale activity for the 7th largest cryptocurrency over the weekend, which was reflected in the 3-day bounce. Cardano's whales showed a flurry of transactions yesterday, as prices were bottoming out to 40 cents, between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. UTC. These spikes have very commonly indicated price direction changes for ADA, and we're monitoring further whale activity closely. According to data from DeFi, the Cardano DeFi ecosystem has attracted nearly $20 million more in funds. Hack and Scout enlisted the help of 111 cybersecurity enthusiasts to perform a comprehensive audit of the DeFi sector, in return for a financial reward. Sir.Live, which verified their work, said the findings showed there are serious security issues in the Web3. Zero Space, adding, projects still undervalue cybersecurity, although it is one of the main factors impacting users' investment decisions. European politicians are proposing a crackdown on unhosted wallets that could cause huge problems for crypto investors. The measures mean exchanges would have the impossible task of verifying who owns an unhosted wallet whenever a transaction takes place. Patrick Hansen, Unstoppable DeFi's head of strategy, fears major platforms would stop their users from transacting with unhosted wallets in order to stay compliant. Another provision would risk getting involved in the space, partly anticipating a wider shift to the metaverse and Web 3.0. The world's third-largest pizza delivery firm Papa John's has, for example, recently started offering NFTs minted on the Tezos $XTZ network, according to a press release shared with CryptoGlobe. Earlier this month, the testnet for the Floki Inu $Floki-powered NFT-based play-to-earn metaverse game Valhalla went live. The game is set to feature A-level game mechanics on the blockchain. Note that this includes on-chain gaming interactions and upgradable NFTs. Cardano has notably been seeing whales enter a buying spree on its network to the point they scooped up over 16 million tokens in only 24 hours, at a time in which data shows that Cardano's developer activity so far this year is more than 7 times that of BTC, and has recently greatly surpassed that of Ethereum. And last news today about Cardano, $ADA, whale holdings rose over 40% to new high this year, data shows. Whales on the Cardano, $ADA, blockchain, have been on a buying spree to the point that their holdings have risen by more than 40% so far this year. The whale accumulation comes as developer activity on Cardano, as measured by GitHub commits, surges, along with its decentralized finance, DeFi, space. According to data from blockchain analytics firm Into the Block, first reported on by CoinDesk, Cardano addresses holdings between 1 million and 10 million ADA have seen their balance rise to a record 12 billion ADA, worth over $10 billion. The figure represents a 41% increase since late January, and comes as the total value locked in the Cardano network rose from around $1 million at the start of the year to a new $162 million all-time high at the time of writing, according to DeFi data. As reported, earlier this month Cardano whales bought over 16 million tokens in only 24 hours in the largest single-day spike in Cardano whale accumulation in months. The spike came at a time in which data revealed that Cardano's developer activity. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19.